What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog episode is gonna be sick. We've got Shareef O'Neal, Shaq's son, coming to the showroom. He's gonna pick up a car. We're gonna see what car he fits in. But before we do that, I wanna address something really quick. Some people have been accusing us of selling out on the channel. And that is just not something we do. We only partner with premium brands like Celsius. Live fit.
Pretty chill day, if I'm being honest. We got Shareef O'Neal coming to the office, Shaq's son. Yeah, he plays for the Lakers, I'm pretty sure. He just finished his like summer league tryout type of thing, so he's a free agent. But he's coming to the office. We're gonna see if we could work out a deal, whether he posts on social media for us or we give him a car at a discounted rate, you know, because he's Shareef O'Neal. We can get him with G-Wagons and stuff, because he's big on social media. Yeah. Shaq is obviously huge. Shaq has rented from us before as well. It makes sense for us to like collab in a way. Hopefully we could get him as like a client, you know, so anytime he's in Miami, we could like work something out with him. Rob said he's gonna try and stuff him in a Aventador, but that's not gonna work.
How tall is he?
Google says he's 6'10". Let's be fair, even if he's 6'8", he's not gonna fit. Like, yeah, of course we get athletes to come, but showroom's f***ing empty, which is good. It's good for business. It's good for business.
Instead of putting straight, we can crook in a little and put it like here. But we'll have to check if it won't be tight, the last one next to the stairs.
I was telling him that we have the option of also shooting in this direction. So we could have a car tilted on that end towards that corner, one against the wall facing us, and then figure out what we can do with the other two.
I think we can do like a pointing out, pointing like to the door. You wanna do random, like one like this?
Yeah, a little bit random, so have like little corners. So I was thinking maybe like on that corner right there, we have one facing the door, or the other way around, facing the wall. We could have two of them right here straight, and then one like that.
What do you think? How we should put all of them?
I told Alan, I was like, we could fit 3 here and put one on the other side of the pool, or we could like organize them a little different. We don't, it doesn't have to be all 4. Maybe just like the sand and the gray one.
I was saying that we could do the sand, gray, and the matte, since the matte and the black one's pretty much the same.
Yeah, we can do that. It's better. Put in 3.
I think that would probably work the best.
Let's see if it looks good.
What's up, man? Shareef, nice meeting you.
What's going on, man? Alan, how you doing?
I'm good.
Yo, I just wanted to ask really quick, we do photos and videos constantly, is that cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, just wanted to check, man. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you guys for having me.
I heard trying to get you in a car. See anything you like so far? We got a few options for today.
Yours.
Yours?
Yeah, that's one of my
Really? Have you driven one before?
Yeah, I have. A good friend of mine, he's pulled James Harden, and they were driving his around like that.
Do you fit?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
What's up, man? Shareef.
Yeah, thanks for coming. Let's figure something out. We want to get you a car, basically get you in here, meet you. We're all big fans. And if you don't mind, we even have like we've got a basketball. Would you mind signing one for
I'll
us?
do that, whatever y'all want.
Cool. This is like our new showroom. We recently moved into this facility. We were located at Lambo Aviation before, which is a lot smaller. Now we actually have like way more, which is really cool.
I don't have to look up at very many people, bro. I want to introduce you to my boss Lee. He's the owner, but he's out of town right now. Dude, thank you. You excited for your season coming up?
Yeah, I'm really excited. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. Cool. So this is the showroom. I'm sure they told you a little bit already. We're kind of new to this space. We moved from the airport down the road. We got the inside looking good now. We're gonna tackle the outside of the building the next 60 days or so. You're based here? Do you live here in Miami?
My dad has a house out in Davie. It's where I come do my training stuff. And I used to live here. I'm back in LA now, so I'll be over there.
You see yourself popping in and out of here very often?
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Whenever the off season, I'm gonna be back here.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we see you more and more.
Yeah, for sure. I'll be back here. Every time I'm not during season, I'll be out here.
Cool. It's a busy weekend. Rolling Loud's coming up, so a lot of these cars are booking. So this is a good problem for us. We don't have a ton. This is our little merch store we're building, getting more and more like clothing and stuff. And out here we got a car wash bay with a few more cars. Yeah, so we wash the cars out here and then we drive them, put them in the showroom. I think he's actually gonna probably drive this inside. We got a few of these now. This is our like 4th or 5th Aventador in the fleet.
Yeah, I've never seen one of those up close before.
Really?
Yeah, I've never seen an Aventador up close before.
He's pulling in the showroom. We'll have the opportunity to like really check it out. This Sierra specifically is actually one of my favorite. It's spec'd insane. It's like it's called Terra Asia interior. It's a brown leather. Kind of see like it's a brown leather interior, which you don't see too often on the Lamborghinis. I'll be right back. I'll grab the key. This is an Aventador S Roadster. So the S is the newer version, but we have an SV, which is like a
faster.
Yeah, even crazier. I mean, this is pretty close to the top. On a more slower day, we could show you around more cars, but we'll have to settle for this for now.
It's great.
Yeah. You have a favorite car?
I really want a Hellcat Durango. I like Dodge a lot.
We don't have very many Dodge products, but we get a lot of people ask for, like, they want a Dodge Demon. They're hard to find.
My dad has the Demon. I want a Durango.
I think I heard a story about him talking about that. I forgot what show he was on speaking, but he said, I guess one of his sons was asking for a Hellcat. But I'm putting 2 and 2 together now. Man, do you want to check it out? Feel free to climb in. I might need to take this off first. Do you want to try?
Yeah, let me see. Damn, it's slow. I don't even know how to get in.
This is the V12, the biggest Lamborghini product, the craziest engine, the fastest car. This is the one. And this car can push some crazy speed. So the red switch will lift up. I don't know if the key's still in there. I might need to get it for you.
You have to push the brake too?
You would, yeah.
Yeah, you do have to put the brake.
Let me grab the key.
Some of my height getting out this car probably look crazy. It'll be like damage.
Yeah, he's bringing in the Phantom, and your dad actually rode in that car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the one we wrapped for him.
Oh,
we put like Shaq's Funhouse and everything on it.
Oh, that one. Yeah, that one was fire.
That was a while ago. We'd like to work with him again next time he comes.
He's in Croatia right now doing DJ stuff. That's what it looked like before you guys wrapped it. That's way better than the wrap. I'm not gonna lie. You should have kept it like that.
I wish we had a Cullinan to show you too. We got a few of those.
So that's what he got. He said he went down, but he has like a burgundy color out. That's the one that's at the house. He never drive it.
So this is the newest for now, but in a year or so there's going to be a new like top tier Lamborghini to get.
Dang.
The Aventador is like the flagship of Lamborghini, and they'll run this car and do different versions of it for like 10 years at a time. And so this is the 10th year of the Aventador, so now it's going to be replaced. It's a shame though, this car is kind of famous now, like the butterfly doors, the look of it.
In LA I saw Kanye's, I think he has an older one, but his is like all black.
Yeah, now, let me show you the Urus. It's a totally different experience, but it is similarly cool. What you think?
Yeah, it's fine.
You like it?
The inside is crazy.
Yeah, it's hard to get this spec, but it comes out really good. Like this is extra when you pay to get the Lamborghini logo stitched in.
Yeah, I like this color. I've never seen this color before.
It's got like a bright yellow with the black, a bright red with black.
This one probably looks crazy during the nighttime with the blue for sure.
Cool. Let's set it up. I'm gonna grab Tulio. He's the one that'll actually like check you in, check you out, and then he'll even like run you through the operations of the car and stuff.
Yeah, bro. If you're about, we set up a little stage with the whips. Take some cool.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Stopping by, man.
Man, y'all gotta stop by MPA, get a car, man. Best cars in the city, lavish cars. You gotta live it up. About to get the Urus, you know, have some fun. Come to MPA's Club, man. Get some cars.
Appreciate it, brother. Take care.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I will.
That's gonna be it for today's episode. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Like this video, subscribe if you want to see more. Again, quick shout out to Celsius. Thank you for sponsoring the video. And shout out to Shareef. Good luck in your first season in LA.
There's me to a basketball hoop in here.
I know, we're literally just talking about that.